Many traders like to apply so many indicators on their chart in order to identify a trend, volatility, or momentum in the market, not knowing that there is a single indicator that can help you identify all this. In this video, I will be sharing with you a single indicator that can help you filter a trend, volatility, and buying or selling entering signal. So try and stay to the very end of this video because I'm going to explain in details how to read this indicator and also how you can place a trade using this indicator. But before we go into the video, please use some of your time to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Without any further delays, let's start. The indicator that we are going to be talking about is called BX Trender by Quant Therapy. BX Trender is designed to give a single glance of the ongoing trend and to differentiate a trend change from a minor correction. To add this indicator to our chart, let's navigate to Indicator Search Bar. There we search for BX Trender. Select the one created by Quant Therapy. The BX Trender is a 3-in-1 indicator, and this indicator can be used for three significant things. 1. It is used for identifying trend in the market. 2. It is used to identify buy and sell entry signal. 3. For volatility or momentum identification. Before we go further to see example on this indicator, let's explore and explain the features of the indicator. And to do that, let's go to the indicator setting. And on style setting, you can see all the features of the indicator. The part of the indicator that has the fading green color is called the BX Trender trend histogram. And the line above the BX Trender trend is called the BX Trender line. I know you might be wondering what this part of the is called. It is called the BX Trender oscillator histogram. Now that you know the feature of this indicator, let's see how we can use this indicator to identify trends, momentum, and buy and sell entering signals. First, let's start with the trend identification. We can identify trend by the use of the BX Trender trend histogram and line. When the market is on downtrend, the BX Trender trend histogram will be dark red, and when there's a shift in trend, the BX Trender trend line will slightly turn to light green. And when price is on uptrend, the BX Trender trend histogram and line will be light green in color, and when there's a shift in the uptrend, the BX Trender histogram and line will slightly turn to dark red in color. Second is the momentum identification. We can identify trend in the market with the BX Trender oscillator histogram. When price is on uptrend, the BX Trender oscillator histogram will be green in color, indicating that there's enough momentum to push the price up. And when price is on downtrend, the BX Trender oscillator histogram will be red, indicating that there's enough momentum to push the price down. And you, as a trader, need to understand when there's momentum in the market. And lastly is the buy and sell entering signal identification. Looking at these lines moving closely with the BX Trender histogram, you can see that it prints green and red dots as it is moving. The green means buy and red means sell. Understanding all the feature of the indicator, let's see how you can place a sell trade using this indicator. Looking at the indicator, you can see that the BX Trender trend histogram and line has shown red trading below, which indicate that price is on downtrend. Next is the BX Trender oscillator histogram, which should be colored red. And lastly, a red dot should be printed. When all this condition is met, then we can enter a trade, setting our stop loss above the previous high and targeting 3 risk-reward ratio. Let's see how we can enter a buy trade using this indicator. When you see that the BX Trender trend histogram is showing green and is trading above, indicating that price is going up. Next, you are going to check the BX Trender oscillator histogram to see if it has been colored green to know that there's momentum in the market. And lastly, you check to see if green dot has been printed. When you see that all this condition has been met, then you can enter a trade, setting your stop loss below the previous low, targeting 3 risk-reward ratio. as you have understand about this indicator. Let's add more confirmation that will help us identify trend early, because sometime the BX trended trend histogram and line might be late to indicate a trend. As you can see here, price was on downtrend and the BX trended trend histogram and line is still showing green, which show that it haven't indicate the downtrend. Then to avoid this problem, this is when we apply another indicator called Donchian trend. This indicator will help us identify trend early. And to add this indicator to our chart, we navigate to the indicator search bar. There we search for Donchian trend. Select the one made by Lonesome for Blue. How this indicator works is that when price is on uptrend, the Donchian trend will be green in color and it will be below the candle. And when price is on downtrend, the Donchian trend will be red in color and it will be above the candle. And before we see examples using this indicator, let's set the indicator. Then we go to the indicator setting. They set the Donchian channel period to 100 and set the length width to 1. And the on style setting, go to charts and uncheck the 2 bars and press OK. As you can see that when price is on uptrend, the Donchian trend indicator is below the candle and it is green in color, indicating uptrend. And you can see that when the price is on downtrend, the Donchian trend is above the candle and it is red in color, indicating downtrend. This will allow us to identify longevity in the trend in the market. Now let's see how we can enter a trade combining the 2 indicators. Here you can see that the BX trender has printed a green dot and the oscillator histogram has turned to green, telling you there's enough momentum to push the market up. But if you look at the BX trender trend histogram and line, it is still showing us red. In this case you use the Donchian trend to confirm the trend. Looking at the Donchian trend, you can see that it is green in color, trading below the candle, which tells you that price is on uptrend. When you confirm all this, then you can enter a trade, setting your stop loss below the previous low and targeting 3 risk-reward ratio. Let's see how we can enter a sell trade combining this 2 indicator. Now seeing that the BX trender has printed a red dot and the oscillator histogram has turned to red, telling us that there's enough momentum to push the price down. And if you check the BX trender trend histogram and line, it is still showing green, then we are going to check the Donchian trend to confirm the trend. Checking it, we see that it is red in color, trading above the candle, telling us that price is on downtrend. On confirming the trend, we can enter a trade, setting our stop loss above the previous high and targeting the next low. So traders, as we have come to the end of the video, if you have any questions, please leave it on the comment section. We will be glad to answer them. Also remember to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Thanks for watching, see you on our next video.